cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, very easy one today. We're gonna make you a nice, lovely almond punch. You know what I mean? From the couple of days I've been making a lot of punch. So if you notice, you know what I mean, different ideas, different things, and things that you can make at home. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, a lot more stuff coming your way, guys. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video, almond punch from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So basically, I like all of my ingredients right here, so. And what I'm gonna do is just crack on it and get this out of the way. First thing what I'm going to do, make sure the fans them see exactly got a lot of ingredients. But I will name out my ingredients that you guys can see exactly what's going on right here, alright? So first thing what I'm going to do, I got some almond, and I'm gonna probably about 12 almond. I just put the one of this almond inside of it. So the almond is finished now. If you notice, I got that's the almond. Then I'm gonna put some punch in it. I'm gonna put up some punch and a few bits and pieces in it. Alright? So first thing, that's the almond, roughly about 12 to 30, about a half dozen almond, good half a dozen almond we put in it. I'm gonna put some peanut punch. Not too much, little bit of peanut punch. I got some, this is some Irish mash. Give it a good shake. If you shake it good, that's you can, you know, that's a shake it properly. Alright, then we're gonna pour some of it, not too much, about half cans. I put about half can in it. Then we got some nutriment. This is the vanilla flavor, very good. You know what I mean? I love my nutriment. Just a little bit, not too much. Then we got some Guinness. Not too much, just a little bit. Vanilla. Nice, good cork. Nice one. All the spices. Then we got some cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for you. Cinnamon easy to eat, good for you to make you lose weight. We got some nutmeg egg, about half teaspoon. I wonder why Chef Ricardo put so much on. These are some more nutmeg and cinnamon. We don't need no more of this one. I might have pop a little bit of the oats in it too. I got some oats, yeah. I'll put a little bit of the oats in it. I love my oats, you know. Nice one. Then is a must. If you are gonna do it, you have to put some sweet condensed milk in it. You know what I mean? Sweet condensed milk is a must. A nice, good, roughly about 2 tablespoons. I don't even measure it, but I'm just using mine. You know what I mean? Roughly about 2 good tablespoons. Lovely. Then after you put all of your ingredients inside of it, what you need to do is cover it up like this, almond punch. And we're gonna blend this up now. Alright? If you got a good blender, that's good. Because I'm using my Ninja. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending it. And all I need to do is shear it out. Look at this, almond punch. And the beauty is that almond is good for you. That's the whole thing, and that's why Chef Ricardo normally make them kind of juice. Look for the punch. Really nice and lovely, guys. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. We got a lot more similar recipe like this coming your way. And you know Chef Ricardo always will give you the best of the best. So thank you so much for tuning into the show. Don't go anywhere. We got a lot more video. And subscribe, leave your comments. Very important. 500 likes, 500 comments will be brilliant. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar Channel. Chef Ricardo Juice Bar Channel. Anyway, I'm going to demonstrate and show you exactly what I have inside of my bowl right here. This is the bowl. You know what? I wash off my fruits because I like to wash my stuff them. Guys, wash your things when you buy them at the supermarket. Put this right here, sir. This is my Ninja blender. I'm going to show you exactly what's taking place. So, first thing, this is a lemon. And I already removed the skin. Let's cut it half, put it straight inside of it. Green apple. One small, medium-sized green apple I've been using. Cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of it. Red apple, one red apple. One medium-sized carrot. Straight inside of it like this. Piece of a ginger. Alright, honey. And some water. Nice one. Cover. Make yourself a nice, lovely drink from carrot, apple, ginger, lemon, and honey, and water. And blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just finished blend it, remove it. And all you have to do when you remove it, very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. Alright, just wipe off my surface because I've been blending a lot of things right here. So basically, you know what I mean, don't mess up the blender. Just wipe it up and clean up the place. Alright, so I just finished blend it. So what I'm going to do is strain it. Run it through my strainer. Get rid of some of the fiber. Alright. Some people will drink the fiber, but sometimes I do. And the next time I don't drink. I just want to make a nice lovely drinks. So as I can see, you got the ginger, everything in it. You can smell the ginger. I smell really nice. Strain off the liquor rest left. Yeah. So if you're at home, you know, you don't want to spend no money if you buy certain things, you got a little extra things left in your fridge. Yeah, this is what you can do. Then the beauty is to get it with some ice. Serve it with a lot of ice. That's the whole thing. Look at this now. Summer is in the year. Beautiful and nice. This is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, as I can see. Fantastic looking, lovely and nice. And I know you guys will love that drink. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching it. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming towards the Juice Bar channel. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So enjoy it, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.